Bridge to Work program offers comprehensive training to unemployed persons within our fence line communities, with particular focus on young people and women, equipping them with the skills and the knowledge necessary to thrive in today's workforce. Through hands-on training, participants gain practical experience and develop a deep understanding of their chosen fields.
So I currently have a 9-month-old who looks up to me. My hopes for the program is that I get so good that I'm called man. Like, people know that we're gonna call her because she knows how to do it. So her life can be easier because I'm good at what I do.
Thank you, Sasol, for the Bridge to Work program. It has really opened my insight and understanding through the field I'm in.
Thank you, Sasol, for the Bridge to Work program. It has taken me out of the location. Because of you guys, I will walk out of here being a double-coated welder.
Thank you, Sasol, for the Bridge to Work program and helping us change our lives one day at a time.